Okay, so digital learning programs. So these deliver content online. They're interactive. They have a large range of learning resources. They integrate with the learning management system and the curriculum management system to supplement students' needs. They track progress. And you know, these are also, some of these names will be familiar to you. And so they're basically focused on the content that's going in the system. Okay. Let me stop here to take a look at the chat, see if anyone's had any questions, comments. Yes, so let's see, Julie says, yes, she's a G Suite school, so they use Google Classroom for everything. So that's great. We'll call, we'll look for you and others to tell us how that experience has been.